Hi guys. So recently I have started sewing, which I'm so excited about because I've always wanted to sew, but it just seemed like really daunting and way too difficult for me. And I was just like, I'm not gonna be good at it, which obviously I'm not gonna be good at it if I just start, but like that's how skills and hobbies work. You get better at them. But I finally was like, I'm just gonna learn. And so I've been learning how to sew, and my mom already had a sewing machine and everything. So it was like, I didn't have to spend a ton of money to get into it, so it was just perfect. But yeah, I've been learning how to sew for the past like month or so. But I have been doing a lot of thrifting, especially in like the bed sheets tablecloth section, because they're like $2 for this whole huge piece of fabric. And so I just feel like less bad about messing them up if I do, because let's be honest, most of the things that I'm sewing as a beginner are pretty objectively bad and I'm not wearing them anywhere. So it's like, I don't want to spend a ton of money on a nice fabric. So these bed sheets are perfect. I found this really pretty floral print one and I'm just in love. And this was supposed to be like $4, I think, but the lady at Goodwill, she marked this as a lady's shirt, I think, and those were on sale that day, so it was $2. I've been seeing these kind of tiered maxi skirts everywhere and I have them and I love them. I just think they're so pretty and summery, and I thought this fabric would be so cute as a little maxi skirt. So I found this pattern on Etsy and I'll have it linked below if you want to make your own, but I'm gonna change it a little bit, I think, because this one has like shirring on the waistband. Like it's got that, I think that's how you say it, shirring. I've never heard that said out loud, so I actually could be wrong, but I think shearing. Is it shearing? Shearing. Shirring. I don't know. But I think instead of that, I'm gonna do like an elastic waistband. And so I'm actually really terrified of that. I don't think it'll be that hard, but just the idea of going outside of this pattern is kind of stressing me out. But I'm really excited. And again, this is such a cheap fabric that if it doesn't work out, then it's fine. I've spent like $2 for the whole thing. And by the way, I made this cute little zipper like box makeup bag out of that same sheet, and I also used another bed sheet for the lining. But isn't that so cute? So like, I'm not like a beginner. I mean, I am, but I've made at least a couple things, you know? I went ahead and cut out all of the pattern pieces and taped them together and stuff. And me saying that makes it sound like that was like a quick, like little easy thing that I just did off camera. This took me over an hour. You wouldn't guess it because this is all I got, but this was over an hour of work. So you're welcome for not making you watch that. But now I'm just gonna cut out all of the pieces, and I need to watch the video to make sure I do it right, because I still don't fully get like the patterns and when you fold it and stuff. It's a little bit confusing to me, so I'm gonna watch a video, but I'll figure it out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start cutting the pieces of this. All right, all of the pieces are cut, and so now I just need to pin, or I'm gonna clip. I have these little fun little clips. I'm just gonna clip them wrong sides together on all of them up the sides, and then we sew the sides using a French seam technique, which I've never done. And honestly, I don't fully get the point of it. I don't get why you can't just do like a regular seam. I don't know the names, but why can't you just do a regular seam? Why do you have to sew on the outside and then I don't know. I could just look it up if I wanted, but I'm just not going to. I'm gonna live in the mystery of it, so whatever. Okay, we're at the sewing machine and I'm gonna do my seams now, my French seams. Okay, I just did that completely wrong. That was bad. So I think I can just go in more and fix. I don't know, guys. That was bad. Oh my god. I forgot to like cut the seam, I guess, before doing this. Looks so bad. I don't know what to do. Should I just start over? Maybe I can take these out and start over. I think we actually got it this time. I'm working on my second tier of the skirt, so like the middle tier, and I already did the French seams, and I'm honestly like a queen at the French seams. I know what I'm doing. I'm the French seam queen. And now I'm just gathering the top so it kind of has that look. And she did it a different way in her video, but I could not make it work. So I'm just doing it like the manual labor kind of way. And that's kind of what's happening. I think these gathers look okay, actually. They're a little uneven, but I can just kind of move it around. But I feel like that looks pretty good. And now I have to like put it inside of this top piece and sew these two together. And then we just have to do the bottom, like the biggest panels. This bottom part is all gathered, and so now I just have to I'm like pretty close. I just have to sew these parts together. But I'll be honest, I have some thoughts, mainly that it's not gonna fit right. I feel like this is looking really big. So I don't know, I'm a little bit worried about that, but I'm just gonna sew it together, and then at the end, I guess if it's too big, I can try and make it smaller. But yeah, it just feels like it's gonna be too big. I don't know, we'll see. But now I'm just gonna sew these together. I think it's like that. Okay, so my suspicions were correct. This is like way too big. Like, yes, I'm adding some elastic to the waistband, but this is kind of ridiculous. Like, if I were to let go, bad things would happen. And I'm honestly just kind of confused because I followed a pattern and I double checked and I made sure I actually made a size small. So what is this? What is this? So I think what I might do is just try and take in the sides at the seams and maybe, I don't know. I don't understand. But I guess I will try this on like backwards, inside out, and then pin at the sides how much I want to take this in. And I'll still leave some because I'm still like bringing in the waist with the elastic, but this is kind of ridiculous. So yeah. All right. I feel like this is like much more manageable. So I took in the sides. I was gonna like pin it and stuff and take it in from both sides, and then I just didn't. So I kind of just eyeballed it and went in like that much on just one side, which I don't know if that's allowed, but I did it. And I feel like this is actually like a lot better. Like, it feels way more my size. So now I just need to like hem the bottom because it's a raw edge there, and then add some elastic to the top. Now I'm feeding the elastic through the waistband, and I think I got the right length for the elastic. I looked it up and it said to do like 2 inches smaller than your waist for the elastic length. So that's what I did, but it seemed like maybe I did a little bit too small. So I'm hoping it's not, but right now I'm just like pushing it through, and I feel like I did a good job figuring out how long to make that opening. Like, that's like perfect. So I'm proud of myself for that one, but yeah, it's going pretty well actually. And I just realized that I sewed over the waistband when I was taking it in. So now I have to seam rip that because that was stupid. And so yeah, I just gotta get rid of that. I think, wait, I'm so confused. The waistband is done and it actually fits perfectly. I just tried it on and I'm actually getting really excited because it worked out really well. And so now I just need to do the hem, which should be super simple. So I think you just fold it like double like that, maybe. I don't know. I'm just gonna fold it and hem it and then we'll actually be done. And I'm actually so excited because I tried it on. It's looking really cute, so. What? This is actually the cutest thing I've ever seen. Like, hello? It turned out so good, guys. I cannot believe I made this. I feel like this is the first wearable thing I've made that I actually would wear. Like, this is exactly what I wanted it to be. I'm like about to cry. This is so good. And the fabric is so light and it's only like one layer. So I feel like it's so lightweight and comfy. Oh my god. And this is from a $2 thrifted bedsheet. The waistband is perfect. Like, not to pat myself on the back, but I kind of ate this up. Little walk. I'm honestly so proud of myself for this. I'm just so happy with how this turned out. If you guys want to make your own, I'll put the pattern that I followed in the description, but it's just like, what? Like, I made that? I made that? If you've been contemplating learning how to sew, this is your sign to do it, because I started like 3 weeks ago maybe, and I had no idea what I was doing. I just started learning from absolutely nothing, and I just made this. Well, thank you guys for watching. I'm just like, I'm at a loss. Like, I don't know what to say. I'm so excited that this is now something that I own, and I feel so much more confident in my sewing. Like, I can make another one of these. I really want to make, I have another bed sheet, this one. It's like a gray and white striped and it's so pretty. And I want to try making shorts or pants from that. So let me know if you guys want to see a video on that, because I think I'm definitely going to make at least some shorts, like those like boxer inspired shorts that I've been seeing. So comment if you want to see a video of me doing those little like lounge shorts. I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. I know this is like a different style of video than what I normally do, but I had a really good time. And I definitely want to keep doing like sewing videos or other DIY kind of fashion things that aren't necessarily crochet. But don't worry, like I'm still gonna do my crochet tutorials. Like I know you guys want those. But if you're not subscribed already, I would really appreciate it if you did. It's free and it helps support me and my channel, and you'll get to see the next time I upload, which I've been doing like once a week. That's kind of the schedule I'm on, so I'm feeling pretty good about that. So yeah, just subscribe. And while you're at it, go ahead and leave a little comment or a like. Give me video ideas. I'm always like looking for other things that I can be making, crochet or sewing or anything else. Just let me know if you see something that's like a DIY fashion thing that you want to see me recreate. Let me know. But I will see you guys next week. I'm burning up because it's like 80 degrees in here.